bullish divergence, right? All right, let's look at SPY. We on a 5-minute chart, y'all. To my pay attention now. Pay attention. It's all you need right here. So boom. This is what's been going on. Whenever I see bull once, I hop in calls. Whenever I see bull again, I rebuy more calls. And then it shoot up. Boom. Well, let's clear this junk. It shoot up. I take profit when the RSI go to like 65, 70. You say get to 75 and then it come back down on them. Oh my goodness. It's just, I can't like, even right here, there's another bullish diversion. It's lower highs. So it touched once, boom, it shot up a little bit. Then it came back down. They let it touch again twice in 2 days. Boom, I spot a divergent. It's finna come up gradually. So I get in calls, bro. Like, I don't know what to tell you. I play calls and bullish divergence. Look, there go another one. They say bull. That bit pop up every time, cuz. Look. Earlier off the wake up, here go another bullish divergent. So as soon as I see that first candle come down, I'm getting in calls. I love it. I'm talking about what? I be giving out these trades too, bro, in the group chat, bro. You gotta just, like, feel me, say be there, bro. I give out the trades whenever I see a bullish divergent all the time. How far back can we go? Look, here go another one. Off the morning wake up, we see bull. Get what it do? It go down and it go up. Ooh, you can get in and get out, bro. Don't count how long it take for it to go up, bro. Just know it's going up, bro. So look, here go another bullish divergent bull. Then that big thing come up off the rip. I'm talking about, hey, listen. You gotta call. That's why I could trade anywhere I go, bro. I trade bullish divergence. Look at this. Off the wake up, we already overbought. We red. We screaming, bro. Like, come on, bro. We screaming to be bought. Ooh, that bit ripped all day. Then it came back with another bullish divergent. Then it ripped some more. Then it got to the point where you could have sold it like 458, 440. You would have been good all day playing bullish divergence, playing calls. You see what I'm saying? It was no bullish divergence here, but the market kind of went up and down. It was like bearish action kind of. So I would not play. I ain't even gonna play, bro. I ain't even mad. Look. Here go another bullish divergence. We was overbought, then it became oversold, then it ripped back to the upside. All I had to see was the bull sign, and I can get in the trade, bro. That's the bottom. That's why I know this, bro. Every time I see a bull sign, it's usually like a bottom. You know what I'm saying? But if it's not there, and I still see it go under the red, if I still see it in the red, I'm gonna buy it. So I'm saying that's probably like the first load up. That's probably like an indicator for the first load up. You know what I'm saying? When you see this, this right here, then it go up, you catch a bull sign early in the morning, and then off the wake up, it's already high, right? So all this is, you see it come peak. I wouldn't have got in right here, guys. I couldn't have got in because it was already in what called supply. So I gotta wait all day until I see a bull sign at the bottom, and then it rip back up and reclaim. You see what I'm saying? Like, I could always play a bullish divergent. Okay, here was bear action, but you see we caught this bullish divergent, and it lasted for like 2 days. You see what I'm saying? It lasted for 2 days, and we caught some bear signs in there, but the market was pumping, bro. So what do? You got to play your own psychology, bro. If you caught that bullish divergent here, and then it ripped up for 2 days, like a day, like how do you know? But it's a bullish divergent. Every time you say bear, it kind of like gradually go down. That's why I don't like playing puts like that, bro. I don't play puts. Puts be some crap. Look at this. We caught some bullish divergence down here. Look at this, way down here. It ripped to the upside. Then it came back up, and then the next day, it still kept ripping. I don't even know, but I just know bullish diverging. What the business is, YouTube, it's your boy Taqueza Stack. Came to keep it a stack on my channel once again, checking in. I gotta go up with the uploads. You hear me, man? So basically, I'm in the day trading group. We gotta pop it. You see what I'm saying? We got the live trade area. You got your pre-market, your day trades, your swing trades, your recaps, your long term, your trading apps. So you will come here, Training University. It's a couple videos in here for you to learn real quick. You feel me? The basics of what you looking at when you join. Then you got the terminology right here. You hear me? Take trims means lock that profit in. You notice some stuff you just gonna learn. You gotta learn first, doggy. Then you got your videos, cause some of y'all might be video orientated. We got the videos for you for the psychology, what's going on. You come here, we gonna teach you everything, Scud. You hear me? Then we got some of the strategies we be using right up in here. Breaking retest, supply and demand, VWAP indicator. You know, this is what we look at. We got your chat room. You know, everybody just get to talking in here. Hold on, it's loading. Is it gonna load? It should load. Oh yeah, it's loaded. You know what I'm saying? Why ain't loading all the way up? Ain't holding me. What is going on? Oh, damn. Let's go to Dubs. I guess it's gonna take too long. This is what y'all came to see. You know what I'm saying? Look at that. Look at that. P&L. What he made? What he made off that right there? We pocket watching. He made 309 off that Tesla, John. Yeah. You got that alert. That boy made 309 real quick. $309 your daily bread. That boy got 255 real quick. Your daily bread. Scud made 2,200 on your daily bread. Scud made 1,159. That's your daily bread. You got your what he made $65. Piece of daily bread, lunch money. Cub made $72. We getting to it. You heard me, man. Uh, uh, um. Yeah, this is the day before he was up. What? About $60. This guy was up $1,400. You want to click it? Look at that. He up 1,400 real quick. Uh, um, this is what I traded. We traded SPY. You see, I'm playing bullish divergence. I'm already aware of a bullish divergent on the come up. You dig? So you want to know what I made? I made what 226 real quick. It's like $28 an hour for like 2 hours, 8 hours worth of work. You know it. Come on, man. Scud made 1,000 right there. You hear me? Look. He made 1,300. You know what I'm saying? We getting to it. Look, 406. He got his little 27%. You know what I'm saying? You know how you do it. We got $191 going down. You know what I'm saying? And it's just all day. We just do this all day. Scud made 14.95. Another Joe made 278. Hey, you can't tell me we ain't hustling, bruh. You ever see a young hustler 171, his account looking decent? He probably started with $100. He probably started with $100 guaranteed. You see what I'm saying? We can do the math. What that is? So what that junk? He got no buying power. He cashed out on that junk. 215 minus 171. Scud had $44 in his account when he bust this move. Man, stop playing, man. We getting to it every day. Look. Scud got $69. He got another guy made 721. Hey, this no bat, boy. Hey, group chat do never 3,400. This your daily bread. You know, this is just what y'all been missing, bro. Ain't nobody been popping it for the group, so I'm gonna pop it for the group every time. Bro made 1,500 McBucks. You know what I'm saying? Shawty made 4,700. Down there, 4,800. Ooh, 501. Shawty made 501. Look. Another guy, he made what? Total recall $80. He got his lunch money, his gas money. You know what I'm saying? 116 on the day. He probably look. 116. Look, do the math. 288 minus 116. He had $172 in his account, and he got $3 buying power. That boy took that. Boom, and we bite. This a real review. This organic. You do what I'm saying? It ain't cookie cutter. Cud made $52 on Amazon. What he made? He made 124. Can't be messed with. Hey, listen. 222 daily bread. Look, there go another 1,000 right there. What this is? What bruh made? Bruh made 547 bones. We getting to it now. Done for the day. He made. That's what he made. Add it up. Grab a pen. Grab a pen, add it up. That boy, hey, we flexing right now. $455 daily bread. We done. Look, 348. That's your free check. 341 daily bread. Look, 300 daily bread. 193 daily bread. Look. $25. Stop playing. We get money. $25. Look, 490 on a bad day. It's a bad day, gang. It's a bad day. Look what's going on. 4,000 on the sloppy way. Ooh, the sloppy way. 4,000 on the day. Cuz Scud up $456. Ooh, he looking nasty. Scud looking nasty, bro. That's all I could tell you. He look real nasty doing this. This is all going down in the SelfMade Society, bro. It's the link is in the bio. 1,600 on the day. I'm talking about why everybody eating in this group chat. I ain't never seen people just 231. I'm like, they gonna pull some money out their market now. 1,000. Ooh, $73. What he made? 100%. Not even in one full minute. Where was the money? Where the money at? How much he made? Where the pot? I can't read it. I don't like Webull personally. That ain't my thing. Look, there go another 1,000. Scott made another 1,000, bro. I'm talking about, hey, this one of the decent group chats, bro. You ain't on this group chat, you a goofy. 225 on the day real quick. Had the in and out. Daily bread. Go hit the gym, bro. That's all you do is go trade. And you hit the gym and you eat good. This it. Lifestyle, bro. You want to live like us, bro? All you going to be doing is looking at charts, getting money, hitting the gym. Quick 250, he done on the day. You know what I'm saying? They ain't have to spend all this money. You ain't got to spend all your cheese. Take your money as a breeze. Look, 418 with ease. Come on, man. It's too easy. It's way too easy. I'm talking about we make trading look like it's just anybody can do it, bro. You hear me? I ain't even where I need to be, but you know what I'm saying? I'm still trading on the go. I go wherever I need to go and trade, bro. So I know that it's money at all times, bro. I just be moving around doing my thing. Thugger, you hear me? 920. I used to be in this state, be in that state. Look, cut make 6,000. Scud made $73. Look, this gonna be the whole little shebang. Watch this. This what y'all been missing. Y'all been wanting to see though. $1,000. You see what I'm saying? Made 1,000 on that. Another 1,400. Stop playing. 1,400. 181. Stop playing. This is all what's been going on this month. I just been letting it stack up, bro. It's some of last month. What, plus 87? Shit, he taking it home. He taking that bank home. Plus 385 from them Qs today. That boy, hey, good stop risk management, $9 loss. You could live with that when you goddamn bank 385, bro. Come on, bro. We going hard in this chat right now, bro. 430 plus 9, 439. Then Scud came back in, 70, 450, 250. He's smacking that motherfucker. Bow, 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 bow. He's smacking him. You know what I mean? He smacked SPX. You know what I'm saying? He was down and he got back in there. Don't revenge trade. Is it gonna load? It ain't gonna load for me. I guess that's the end of the. Oh wait, they loaded for me. We got 495. Stop playing. Everybody eat. Look. 503. This must have been a decent day, bro. Like y'all need to come get with the money team, bro. You know what I'm saying? And let's go look at some of these bullish